video on these bread and spinach dumplings again, but this time I want to see if we can poach them in a stock rather than a tomato sauce. So 150 grams worth of stale bread. It's the potato bread I made, and some leftover spinach bread. So that's those. An egg, 150 grams worth of spinach. There's also some wild garlic, frozen wild garlic stalks in there, and there's also some fresh chives out of the garden because that's what I had. And then we've got 125 milliliters of buttermilk from another project, but we can use yogurt, we can use cream, we can use milk, we can use a half mixture of milk pureed up with a cheese like feta as well. So we can use all those. Salt and pepper in there, and then I chopped up, drained the spinach, chopped it up, fresh chives and garlic, wild garlic stems in there. Massage all that together until it comes together for about 5 minutes. You don't need to see that, and therefore I can make a shorter video. That seems a little bit softer than last time. So I don't know if the fresh chives have made a difference, or I've used it, well, it's not a medium egg that I've used, it was a large egg, so maybe that was a slight difference in egg size makes a big amount of difference. But the bread was drier than last time, so we don't know. So but anyway, so let's just do half of it into 5. So let's just do 5 and see if it sets up any more overnight, because it's warm as this mixture, so that might make a difference. But I've got some more bread, and it won't be a problem to get some more chives out of the garden. So if we need to have a little bit more, but it is that potato bread, so it's not like the normal bread that I made, even though I made it with that spinach bread last week. But let's see how it sets up overnight. So we don't need to, just need to leave those there like that. That's about half, and then we can put that plate on top as a lid, and then I can clean my hands. But we'll see what those are like tomorrow when they've set up. Have set up a bit firmer in the fridge, so that's okay. We've got some stock. It was left over from a function. It was what I cooked the vegetables in. That's delicious. It was originally the ham stock, and then I cooked the vegetables in it to kind of give the vegetables flavour. I'm getting sidetracked. We should just be putting these in. So let's put these in, and hopefully we'll cook them for 15 minutes. Probably don't need that much, but they're kind of quite dense, so maybe 15 minutes. That's what we cook the other ones for. And then hopefully there'll be enough egg in it to keep them together. So gentle simmer, lid on methinks. We'll give it 15 minutes on the timer, and then we'll see what they're like. And then if they work, then we'll just roll those up into balls and cook those. Right, the 5 minutes is just about up, and they have held together. So that's okay, isn't it? Slightly grown in size. So we'll cut into one, and we'll see what they're like. I think they'll be nice. I think they'll be nice. Let's serve them with the cooking liquor, because it's a nice stock, and then a bit of cheese on top. And we'll see how we go. But I've got those others, so I'm going to cook those as well. We've lost a few little bits in the pan, but we simply just strain those out, can't we? So, how's it taste? There we go, there's the 5 minutes. Well, the 15 minutes. Very hot. Very nice. Very nice, much softer. That amount of liquid works. I don't think we could get away with it anymore. So that kind of ratio of egg to breadcrumbs to buttermilk, or your milk or cream of choice, and then spinach. It doesn't have to be spinach. It could be any. It could be wild greens. It could be nettles. It could be just herbs. Lots and lots and lots of herbs. So like something kind of like a base, not too powerful. So like a high ratio of parsley, and then other herbs in there as well, like tarragon work in there. But anyway, so there we go. A success.